If you've ever spotted a small white bottle with a red lid in your fridge or lunchbox, you've probably come across Yakult. But Yakult is more than just a popular probiotic drink. Let's start with a bit of background. Yakult Story began in Japan back in 1935, when Dr. Minoru Shirota set out to improve people's health using beneficial bacteria. The company, Yakult Honsha, was officially established in 1955, and over the decades, it's grown into a global brand. In 1994, Yakult opened its first English-speaking production plant in Dandenong, Victoria. That's where Yakult Australia was born. Today, the Dandenong factory produces up to 400,000 bottles a day, using mostly Australian ingredients, except for the unique bacteria strain that still comes from Japan. So, what makes Yakult a great case study in business management? First, let's look at its role as a manufacturing business. Yakult takes raw materials like milk and sugar and transforms them into a finished product, the Yakult drink you see in supermarkets. This places Yakult firmly in the secondary sector, where the focus is on turning inputs into tangible goods. The company's aim is to produce high-quality products efficiently, while always maintaining strict standards for quality and safety. Now, let's talk about Yakult's business objectives. Like many successful companies, Yakult balances financial goals with a broader social mission. Its main objectives include making a profit and growing in the competitive health beverage market, increasing its market share by building strong brand loyalty and exploring new ways to reach customers, and meeting customer needs by delivering a consistent, high-quality product that supports digestive health. But Yakult also goes further, aiming to promote health and well-being through education and science-based nutrition. This balance between profit and social responsibility is a key ingredient in Yakult's long-term success. Corporate culture is another area where Yakult stands out. Employees often describe the company as respectful, safety-focused, and community-minded. Teamwork, education, and precision are core values, reflecting Yakult's Japanese heritage. The Dandenong factory even offers tours to the public, showing how Yakult is made and reinforcing the company's commitment to transparency and community engagement. This open and inclusive culture helps staff feel connected to the company's mission and proud of their work. Stakeholder management is also central to Yakult's approach. The company's main stakeholders include employees, who rely on Yakult for safe working conditions and job security; customers, who expect a safe and effective product; suppliers, who provide essential raw materials; the local community, which benefits from jobs and educational programs; and shareholders, who look for strong financial performance and a solid reputation. By carefully managing these relationships, Yakult builds a sustainable and ethical business. Finally, corporate social responsibility is at the heart of Yakult's identity. The company uses recyclable bottles, works to minimize waste, and supports scientific research into probiotics and digestive health. It also hosts educational tours for schools and community groups, helping to promote health and well-being beyond just selling a product. Yakult is a textbook example of how a manufacturing business can balance profit, quality, ethics, and social responsibility, all while building a strong brand and a loyal customer base.